Zwift versus TrainerRoad 2025, which cycling app is best? Indoor cycling apps have exploded in popularity, but in 2025, which is better, Zwift or TrainerRoad? Zwift is a virtual cycling platform that gamifies your rides with December 16, 2025 worlds, real-time competitions, and social interaction. Most people get this wrong, they think it's just for fun, but Zwift also offers structured workouts and performance tracking. You won't believe what happens next. You can join group rides, races, and even professional training plans, keeping motivation high. TrainerRoad focuses on data-driven training, emphasizing power zones, cadence, and structured cycling programs. Unlike Zwift, it doesn't offer immersive graphics or multiplayer experiences, but provides highly detailed performance analytics and adaptive training plans. Pricing is similar, with monthly subscriptions. Zwift requires a strong internet connection for real-time worlds, while TrainerRoad works offline and is ideal for cyclists focused solely on improving metrics. So, which is best? If you want an engaging, social, and fun training experience, Zwift wins. If your goal is structured, scientifically backed performance improvement, TrainerRoad is smarter. The surprising truth is that the best cycling app isn't just about features, it's about how you ride, train, and stay motivated over time.